A storm is coming? What if I told you that one of the greatest investors of all time just issued a serious warning about the economy? What if I told you that Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself, is predicting a major downturn that could impact not just Wall Street, but every American? And what if I told you that this could change everything for Elon Musk, Donald Trump, and the US economy? Yes, Warren Buffett has spoken, and when he talks, the world listens. From inflation and interest rates to the stock market and recession fears, Buffett's insights could determine the future of businesses, jobs, and even political power. So today, we're diving deep into his latest warning and what it could mean for you. Who is Warren Buffett and why his warnings matter? Before we break down his latest economic forecast, let's talk about why Warren Buffett's words carry so much weight. He's not just any investor, he's one of the richest and most successful businessmen in history. As the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, he has spent decades predicting market trends, making billion-dollar investments, and avoiding financial disasters before they happen. Buffett is known for his calm, long-term investing strategy, but when he sounds the alarm, it's time to pay attention. Unlike politicians or media analysts, Buffett isn't driven by fear or hype. He looks at hard data, market cycles, and real economic fundamentals. And right now, he sees some serious warning signs for the US economy. Buffett's recession warning. What's happening? Warren Buffett recently raised concerns about a looming recession, citing several economic red flags that are hard to ignore. Among the biggest issues, rising interest rates. The Federal Reserve has aggressively hiked rates, making it harder for businesses and consumers to borrow money. Declining corporate earnings. Even big companies like Tesla, Amazon, and Apple are seeing a slowdown in profits, which could trigger layoffs and stock market volatility. Government debt crisis. With the U.S. national debt soaring past $34 trillion, Buffett warns that excessive borrowing could trigger a financial meltdown if not controlled. Banking instability. Following last year's Silicon Valley bank collapse, Buffett fears more bank failures could be on the horizon, threatening small businesses and personal savings. These signs point to one major risk: a full-blown recession that could impact everything from jobs to investments to government policies. But how does this affect two of the most powerful figures in the US, Elon Musk and Donald Trump? How Buffett's warning impacts Elon Musk and Tesla. Elon Musk has built some of the most innovative companies in the world: Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. But despite his genius and vision, even Musk isn't immune to economic downturns. Buffett's warning spells trouble for Tesla because high interest rates hurt car sales. With auto loans becoming more expensive, fewer people can afford Tesla's high-priced electric vehicles. Stock market volatility affects Tesla's valuation. Tesla's stock price is highly sensitive to economic conditions, and a recession could lead to big sell-offs. Musk's debt-heavy business model is risky. Many of Musk's ventures rely on continuous funding and investments. If capital dries up, projects like Mars colonization or AI advancements could slow down. While Musk remains optimistic about the future, Buffett's concerns suggest Tesla and other tech giants could face serious financial hurdles in the coming years. Trump's 2024 election hopes and the economy. If a major recession hits before the 2024 election, it could have massive consequences for Donald Trump's campaign. Historically, economic downturns shape elections, and here's how Buffett's warning could impact Trump. Recession. Voter frustration. If the economy worsens, voters may blame the current administration, potentially boosting Trump's chances in the election. Stock market crashes hurt wealthy donors. If Wall Street takes a hit, Trump's biggest financial backers might hesitate to fund his campaign. Inflation and job losses fuel populist sentiment. Trump has always positioned himself as a champion of the working class. If economic conditions worsen, his America First message could gain even more traction among voters. While Trump has survived political storms before, a full-blown recession could either boost his appeal or damage his economic credibility, depending on how he handles it. Buffett versus Musk versus Trump. Who's right about the economy? Right now, Buffett, Musk, and Trump have very different views on where the economy is headed. Buffett warns of major risks, advising caution and long-term planning. Musk remains bullish on innovation, focusing on new industries to overcome financial slowdowns. Trump sees economic challenges as a political opportunity to push his Make America Great Again agenda. Who's right? The truth is, only time will tell. But one thing is clear. The U.S. economy is at a turning point, and the decisions made in the next year will shape the future for decades. What should you do? Protecting yourself from economic uncertainty. If Warren Buffett is worried about a recession, it's smart to start preparing. Here's what you can do to protect your finances. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one asset class. Stocks, real estate, and gold can help balance risks. Cut unnecessary expenses. If a recession hits, having emergency savings will be crucial. Avoid high-interest debt. Credit cards and loans will become harder to manage if the economy slows down. Invest in skills and education. A strong job market isn't guaranteed. Learning new skills can help you stay competitive. Even if a major crash doesn't happen, taking financial precautions now could save you a lot of stress in the future. Outro. What do you think? So, is Warren Buffett right about an upcoming recession? Will Elon Musk's companies survive the downturn? And how will this impact Donald Trump's political comeback? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree with Buffett's warning, or do you think the economy will bounce back stronger than ever? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest financial and political stories shaping our world.